Hello my friends. In the previous videos, we have created the API, the model, paging, util, and the view model packages. Now we are going to create the dependency injection package that is responsible for making it the module which is an app module. And in this app module, we are going to get the glide, which is the glide library instance. And in order to fetch the drawables and fetch the images and the poster path into the placeholder, which is our drawable.ic image that we have created in the layout in the previous videos. So let's begin. We will create the package here called DI, Dependency Injection. And inside Dependency Injection, I will create new Java class called app module. And in this app module, it will not extend anything, but here we are going to add the annotation requested by Dagger. So I'm going to tell Dagger that it's acting as a module. And I will install in also Dagger Hilt. So install in singleton component, which is dagger.hilt.components and .class. Okay, so these are for the app module. Okay, and these are the packages and the class that we have imported. Okay, so this app module also have a Dagger annotation which it provides and singleton. These are lectured in the Dagger section, so please go back in order to learn in deep what these annotations means. So public request manager get glide. This is the method that we are going to use in order to get the glide. Application context, we are getting the application context and we annotate it by application context. And here we are going to add return glide dot with context dot apply default request options new request options dot error r dot drawable dot ic image that we have created in the previous videos. And here inside the error I will use placeholder r.drawable.ic image again. Okay, and this is the semicolon. In this way we have created the app module that uses the Hilt and Dagger classes, and this is the class that will be used in the dependency injection later on and when we get the glide instance.